When creating modules for D2L Brightspace, the first thing you want to do is go up to the top of your screen and click on Content in your navigation bar. You will then see a screen where you can click at the bottom to add a module. Click into the space provided and type whatever name you would like to name your module. I chose to name mine Week 1. Click Enter after naming your module, and you will be told that your module was successfully added. To add a second module, just click on Add a Module again. You can then add the name of your second module, which I chose to name Week 2. After adding your second module, click Enter, and the system will tell you that again you have added your module successfully. I then clicked on Add a Module and typed in Week 3 and then clicked Enter. I was then told that I added the module successfully again. As you can see, I have now successfully added 3 modules, and now I'm going to click on Week 1 to add a submodule under Week 1. I clicked on Add Submodule and named my first module Learning Objectives. I hit Enter and was given an opportunity to click on Add a Submodule again. I chose to name my second submodule Lecture. After entering it into the space provided, I hit Enter and was again told that I had successfully named my module. As you can see, I have now successfully added modules and submodules to my D2L course. I hope this just-in-time tutorial was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching and have a fantastic day.